Hello everyone, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. Within this video, we are going to be reviewing and unboxing an updated version of this Poarmeey Tattoo Armrest. We're going to be unboxing this and diving into an in-depth review. Should you have any questions along the way, please feel free to drop them in the comments down below. I will also leave a link in the description below so you can check this out on your end. With that being said, let's get right on into this. So taking a look at the box, as you can see, Poarmeey has a suitcase type of design where we can hold it from that top band right there. The back of the box looks like this, and this unit also does come in different colors as shown on this box right here. For this one, we're going to be reviewing the black version. One thing that stood out to me was the packaging here. It's rather intuitive. When I'm done, I can simply break down the Poarmeey armrest in reverse and kind of just put it back in there and carry it like a little suitcase box slash tattoo armrest. So taking a look at the box right here, under the hood we are greeted with a layer of foam, ensuring our investment is protected. Removing the foam here, we are greeted with what looks like the Poarmeey actual armrest padding right there, along with a tightening arm. Now I'm not sure if that's the proper terminology for this little unit right here in my hand, but I'm going to go ahead and refer to that as the tightening arm in this video. Be sure to stick around as we will be getting into setting up as well. Right here we are greeted with the Poarmeey armrest. So this is the area that we are going to be tattooing on. For my personal experience, this is a really nice size tattoo area to be tattooing off of. Along with a nice tattoo area to work on with this armrest, it does seem fairly well made. As you see, we have a metal plate at the bottom here, and that's what we're going to mount to the actual stand to hold it up, and the padding is fairly thick as well. I'm a big fan of this type of textured top right there, and that is the branding onto the side right here. For the sake of this review, I'm going to refer to this as a diamond texture top here. So I am a big fan of the look of the diamond texture top there. One thing that I didn't like is that in between these diamonds right here, we're going to notice that there's actual threading right there, and that right there causes some discrepancies. So for those who don't have the most desirable tattoo practices, let's say if they're not wrapping their gear, then this right there may be some issues later on down the road during the tattooing process, especially when we're tattooing client after client after client on the same canvas area or on the same site. So what I would recommend a way around that is just to simply wrap it with saran wrap and double up, triple up, maybe even wrap it maybe 4 or 5 times, and then go ahead and proceed to continuing your tattoo session. For me, when I tattoo, everything has barriers. I place barriers on everything, and I always treat everything as if it is contaminated just for better practices. This helps me conduct myself better, make better choices along the way. There we have the tattoo armrest. Moving on now, we're going to check out what else is in the packaging here. So it looks as though we have a user guide and some sort of other tools here. We're going to take a close-up look. From my experience, I've never gotten an armrest that comes with a user manual, so this is actually pretty cool to have a tattoo armrest come with a user manual. It looks as though the user manual comes in multiple languages, and it does give us some product details, product parameters, product assembly information here. As you see, it does have details, product parts. I do feel Poarmeey did a great job including this literature here for those who are actually needing assistance along the way. Great job, Poarmeey. Moving on front here, we do have a bag full of different screws, washers, and this is what we're going to use to assemble the armrest. Taking a close look here, this is the base of the Poarmeey armrest. As you can see, it is thin in width. However, I believe it's aluminum. It is a sturdy material. When I'm using it, I like to place my feet off to the side, and it gives me a real comfortable feel upon tattooing. The design also looks like it's someone running away, as you see right here. All in all though, the feel of it when I'm using the actual armrest, it feels great. It's not a bad design. I do like how it's not far off of the ground. I have been using this armrest for about a month, and my entire time using it, I've noticed that it's actually really comfortable. Placing my feet off to the side gives me a sense of stability upon using. This right here is what the armrest feet look like. We just screw it into the bottom of the base. This is actually self-explanatory and really straightforward there. Checking out the last part of the packaging here, this is the main arm that's going to connect the base to the top of the padding. It is made of a good solid material. Yet again, after a month or so of using this armrest, I don't have many complaints besides the threading up top on the padded area. That's really one of the only things that I would say that I don't like about this. Other than that, the build, the setup, everything is actually pretty straightforward, and the design itself offers me, again, a good sense of stability when I'm tattooing, which is something that I'm really in favor of. Everything that was included in the box is now laid out right here, ready for assembly, so we're going to get into that aspect. Getting into the product assembly, it is in 4 easy steps as shown right here. I'm going to actually show you those steps right now. I'm going to start off with step 1, and we're going to be using this tightening arm right here. And we're going to use these washers to place onto the side of this bar. You're going to notice these 3 little grooves here lock in with the 3 little holes on the washers. So you're just going to want to place those in there. They kind of lock into place on their own. Ensure that they're tight and locked in there, and we're ready to go on to the next step. I'm going to place this in between right here. So aligning the middle bar up with the top part of the armrest here, I should have placed a washer in first right here, and then I should have screwed this screw on. I'll actually leave a video up here floating on what it should look like. I apologize for not including that right here in the setup of this video. However, just make sure that we apply the washers as shown in the little snippet that I had floating here. Once I've assembled the screws there, I'm going to get the tightening arms and I'm going to tighten them into place, and I'm going to place them through the holes right there. And I'm going to repeat that times 2, and then once I have them in there, I'm going to get the caps and then just screw them on and tighten them into place. I'm going to place the third tightening arm in right here on the barred area of the tattoo armrest. Make sure that we get that one in there as well. This is going to control the height of the armrest. So as you can see, now the bar is in place, and all you have to do now is tighten it up. Keep in mind, let's use our imagination here. Those washers are installed as shown in the video floating. Now we're ready to proceed and put on the base of the armrest. Should have 1 washer left, which we're going to use right now. Taking the base, we're going to put the open square side towards the middle part of the armrest, and then we're going to get the washer and put the screw through it, and then we're going to tighten it on like so. Be sure you get a good snug tight fitting on there. So now it's completely stable, it doesn't move around or anything, which is exactly where we want it. From here, you want to tighten up the tightening arms under the padded area, and this is what we have. This is the Poarmeey armrest in its final form right here, completely set up from ground up. As you see, it is very simple to put together. On top of that, it offers good stability, so when I'm tattooing on it, again, I can't exhaust this, that I do feel stable when using. As you see right here, we're diving into some snippets where Lila Yuck is going to give me a tattoo, and we're using the Poarmeey armrest. We do have barriers around it, as well as some blue Scotch shop wipes that my hand is resting on. The Scotch shop wipe is only there to act as an absorber. It is not acting as a barrier. When it comes to tattooing, along with the stability, the comfortability is actually there as well. So here's Lila Yuck pulling a line on my wrist area, and she's comfortable. She's able to get both of her arms up on the armrest area and find her center to be able to pull a nice comfortable line. To help put it in a better perspective, I've been using a fake skin called True Skin lately, and that is 8.5 by 11, and I can lay down that entire sheet of fake skin, and the armrest is going to still have some padded area showing up around the fake skin. Here are a couple of tattoos done on 8.5 by 11, and the armrest is sticking out on both sides. I'm actually going to put some measurements up on the screen as well for you all, so you can get a good, accurate reading as to how big this armrest is. Allow me to conclude the video and relay some of my experiences and my final opinions on how I feel about the Poarmeey armrest. After about a month of using, and I've done many tattoos on this Poarmeey armrest, as you see, Lila Yuck is also tattooing on it right here. From my personal experience, the size alone of the armrest is adequate enough for me to be comfortable each and every session. On top of the comfortability, the stability and the performance that the Poarmeey armrest offers is there, and especially for the price point, making this Poarmeey armrest 4 stars easy in my book and a thumbs up. Now, the reason why I can't give it a full 5 is because of the diamond texture threading up top. For me to have given it a full 5 stars, stars and a 2 thumbs up. I would have liked to have seen a better material up top, or rather the material up top without the threading in there. For me, there's some sort of discrepancy that I can't seem to get over with the threading being there, but it doesn't take away from the performance, the stability, and comfortability that this armrest offers. However, that's just my approach and my take. For the full 5 and for the 2 thumbs up, I would have liked to have seen a more easily wipeable material that we can wipe down with Cavicide wipes and or Opticide wipes, something to this extent. All in all, it's a great solid armrest for the buck. If I didn't touch base on anything specific that you may have wanted to know, please drop it in the comment section below and I'll do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. I have social medias all under the same name as is Instagram. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would truly appreciate your support on there as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. Thank you for tuning in yet again. You have a great day.